In this episode, we find an awesome cheap camp, test our nerves at the Bicentennial Tree climb, and try our four-wheel drive skills on the YEAGURUP sand dunes. So we're heading off towards Pemberton now, driving through the National Forest. It's just a gorgeous drive, loads of lovely trees, fantastic. Well, this is where we're staying. It's called Pemberton RV, Transit RV, which the name makes it sound really naff, but it's actually on somebody's land. Someone we randomly got chatting to in the car park, somewhere where we stopped on the way, told us all about it. It's basically behind the chocolate factory, and it's on their farmland, and there's an avocado farm and stuff there. So you're in the field around the back. Loads of room. You have to obviously be fully self-contained, and that's it really. So we just went and got a load of water from the tap in town, and Gary's just filling us up, isn't you, Gaz? Hey. Filling us up with water.
Yeah.
Our little system, our little 12-volt pump.
That's a treat, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, it's brilliant. It pumps it in so quick. You can check out that on one of our other videos, how we do that. It's really good.
Labour intensive, isn't it?
Oh yeah, people can say how labour intensive it is. It's so quick. It's easier to do that. We can empty out the tank from the cruiser, because that's 40 litres, but it's slow going into the bucket. Whereas this is really quick, and you can't fit that 12-volt cylinder into the tank, so you can't pump it straight out from there. But yeah, it's easy. It's easy. Anyway, plus a little bit of exercise does you good.
Stops you being a fat bastard.
Stops you from being too lazy, eh, babe?
Yeah.
Got to keep you in jobs, or you'd be bored, wouldn't you?
Yeah, big time. Oh.
Just a few of us here. It's good. So we're here at the Bicentennial Tree. How tall is it, Gav?
65 metres to the platform and 70 metres to the top.
So we'll give it a little go. You have to walk up the pegs, we'll show you.
Yeah.
Oh.
You feel weird?
That's horrible. Look, there's all out there. Oh my god. No. So you have to climb up those pegs. I'll give you this in a minute, guys, if you want it.
Oh yeah, wait for me.
And yeah, it's like a spiral going all the way up.
I climbed up the first bit. It's a long way up. I don't know if I'm brave enough to go to the top. We'll see. That's a long drop.
Well, I didn't get very far at all. I went round, I think, that first spiral and to about there. About there. Then I was like, nah, sod this. I'm going back down.
I don't like heights that much.
No, well done, Gaz. Getting up to that platform.
I got to the platform and then I went a little bit higher, but yeah, it's a long way. And you can see right through.
Yeah,
that's the thing.
You can see down.
It's not as though there's steps or anything.
No.
It's just those pins. And when you're up high, that is weird. And you can just see straight down. It's a big drop, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh well, we had a look.
You'd only fall once.
Oh, that's it, it'd be all over.
The Kari Forest Explorer Drive winds through some of South Western's most magnificent Kari Forest.
Not too far from where we are is the YEAGURUP sand dune system. So we found the track that cuts us across to that, and we're going to go and have some fun.
Yay! This could be the hill.
Oh yeah, here you go. YEAGURUP dunes.
And that's the hill you got to get up.
Ooh.
just to get on the top of the dune. So you might come over that and learn cycles a bit more.
Yeah, I think
Don't you?
a little bit less pressure, guys.
Oh, definitely, yeah. It's quite soft.
I've walked ahead up the sand dune. It's really, really steep, really thick, fluffy sand. So I don't know if he'll make it on these tyre pressures. Let's see how he goes. I think he's getting the hang of this. He made that look easy, first attempt.
We obviously got the tyre pressures about right for that.
Yeah,
Low
well
range,
done.
straight up.
So I said you're getting the hang of this now.
Yeah, I know, I just looked here and I thought it's got to go down a little bit lower than that. I thought we might have to go a bit lower, but...
So what did you set the tyres on?
14 on the front, 16 on the back, so I've got the canopy, but I can go down more. But I thought it might just be enough, and it actually worked. Low range, second gear, straight up.
Awesome.
Easy.
Cool, look at this.
Cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
You on, DC?
Hey!
Forward driving, loving it, ain't you?
Oh, loving it. Brilliant.
Love a bit of sand dune driving. Go on, give it some willy. Give me get stuck. That's it. A little bit more throttle, that's it.
In 500 metres, the destination is on your left, YEAGURUP Dunes.
I think we can stop that now.
Yeah,
I think
right.
we're here.
Oh, I think we're here. Oh,
Oh,
geez. We're here, we're on the dunes.
yeah. Oh, it's brilliant.
Oh, it's good fun, isn't it? Go on, give it a bit of willy.
Oh, which way do I go in? Do
Oh, up that hill.
I go straight ahead or left?
Left, I think. I think you can go both ways, but you won't get up there from here. Oh, you have to go straight up here now. Straight up here. You won't make it otherwise. Once you're in low range. You go both ways, obviously.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. Bouncy, bouncy, innit?
It's a bit more fluffy than when we did the Port Lincoln sand dunes.
Yeah, but it's good fun, isn't it?
Yeah, it's good fun. Hey.
We're loving it. It's really good fun. That's it. To the right, I think, Nice.
Oh, that was bumpy.
Left hand side. Oh, yeah, it's bumpy, isn't it? Jesus Christ, that's where everyone's bloody cut it up, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's good fun though.
Gazza gets his go now.
Yeah, I can come right for the rain for up that big hill, didn't we? Good. It's good though, it's good fun. Some sand dunes, absolutely amazing, isn't they?
Oh,
Good fun.
great fun. Brilliant. This is our training in case we ever go across the desert. Get a bit of experience. The awe-inspiring sight of the dunes rise several metres above the surrounding Kari forest. The dunes are moving slowly inland, swallowing the forests and wetlands in its path. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notifications bell and follow our adventures around the globe.